So I am at ISAS in Japan. It's a center of the Japanese Space Agency JAXA with Professor Makoto Yoshikawa. Hello, Makoto.
Hello.
So we are going to talk about the NEO MAPP project, which is a project funded by the European Commission in its H2020 program. So NEO MAPP stands for Near Earth Objects Modeling and Payload for Protection. It's a project that aims at better modeling the response of asteroids to various processes, in particular the impact process, that is the process that we use to deflect asteroids. It also tries to develop new instrumentations for asteroid exploration and new tools to analyze the data of the space missions that explore asteroids, and in particular the mission that aimed at making a deflection test like the DART and HERA missions. So in fact, NEO MAPP activities now are supporting the development of the HERA mission at the European Space Agency. HERA is going to investigate the outcome of the impact made by the NASA DART mission trying to deflect an asteroid. And therefore, all the activities aimed at supporting the development of this mission so that when it launches in 2024, it's fully ready, and when it arrives at the asteroid in 2027, we are really prepared to analyze the data. So I am coordinating the NEO MAPP project. I'm also the principal investigator of the HERA mission, and Professor Yoshikawa is an advisory board member of this NEO MAPP project. So Makoto, how do you see your role as advisor on this project?
Yes, at first, I think this NEO MAPP project is very important, not only for the planetary defense, but also for the space missions. And I'm very happy to be one of the members of advisory board. And I think we can share our experience of Hayabusa and Hayabusa 2 to your project.
Yeah, that's very important for us because, of course, our Japanese colleagues made 2 missions to near-Earth objects. So you have a lot of expertise, a lot of lessons learned that you, thanks to your role as advisory board, share with us so that we start on good basis. And that's both for planetary defense and science exploration. And planetary defense is, of course, important because the moon, for instance, here we have impact craters on the moon that have been observed by the Kaguya mission, which is a Japanese mission. And these impacts are the traces of the impact history in the inner solar system. The moon kept the record of all these impacts because there is no erosion, no water, etc. So like on the Earth, the craters are erased over time. And thanks to the moon, we know that the impact or flux, the flux of impact in the inner solar system has been more or less constant over the last 4 billion years. So we know that we have a population of impactors that constantly make impacts both on the moon, on Earth, and other planets. And within the NEO MAPP project, and with the DART and HERA mission, with the Hayabusa 2 extended mission, we try to be prepared so that when something in the long-term future may come to us, we have tools and we have missions that are able to save us from an impact. So thank you, Makoto, for advising us with your good advice, both for NEO MAPP and HERA. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.